Namaste. In this lecture, I am going to explain how we people can install Tomcat server, which is a requirement for writing and running web applications. In order to install Tomcat, you are supposed to go to the URL http://tomcat.apache.org. So let me show you how to download it and install it on your computer system. So we are starting with the web browser, Google Chrome, right? So at the address bar type http://tomcat.apache.org, right? So now in the download section choose Tomcat 9. This is the version Tomcat 9. Go a bit below and you will find this under the section core. Under the section core, choose 32-bit 64-bit Windows Service Installer. Click on this. Okay, and your download will start. It's going to take a bit of time. Okay, so Apache Tomcat 9 is being downloaded on your system, and once it is downloaded, it will be in the form of an executable file, exe file. We will be double clicking on it and its installation will start. So there are 13 seconds left. Okay, let's wait for some time. Okay, so download is going to be completed soon. It has not finished yet. Okay, let's wait for some more seconds. So the download is complete. I'm going to the folder. You will go to the folder wherever you have opted to download it. Then I've gone to the C drive, root of the C drive, where I would be pasting my file. This is Apache Tomcat 9.0.7 and this is application, that is executable file, and I will be double clicking on this and installation will start. So Apache Tomcat is an application server, as I have told you in the previous lecture, and its installation is must. Click on run, click on next, I agree, then choose the full installation, full. Okay, click on next. Okay, this is your connector port 8080. This is the port which is chosen by Tomcat to execute, and here in username and password you can give any username or password, like I have given admin. This is the place where your files are going to be installed. Okay, now you can click on next, click on install. Installation has started. Okay, it will take a bit of time, and after a while we will see, when the installation is complete, we will see how Apache Tomcat will be installed. So if you want to run Apache Tomcat, you can keep it checked or click on finish. Okay, so after this, in the next lecture I am going to tell you how to install Eclipse.